Hello friends, welcome back to the mini video guys on my YouTube channel guys. Today friends we are going to talk about guys, how can we increase phone sleep time setting in our Samsung phone. Friends, you want to increase your phone sleep time setting, so friends, how can you increase it? Today I will show you in this video. So before starting video friends, first of all go and subscribe the channel guys, click the bell icon and like the video. So friends, now let's see guys, how can we increase phone sleep time setting in our Samsung phone device guys. So first of all guys, we will on our phone setting guys. After on phone setting guys, you can see this type of setting in your Samsung phone guys. So friends, you can see guys your phone display setting guys. We will click on display setting and guys we will scroll it. Then guys you can see your screen time on guys, phone sleep time guys. You can increase from here. Guys, you want to increase into 5 minutes, so I will increase for 5 minutes. So guys, your phone sleep time will increase in your Samsung phone guys. Your phone will not sleep in just minute and second guys. After 5 minutes your phone will sleep. So like that guys, we can increase guys phone sleep time setting in our Samsung phone. So that's it guys. Thanks for watching the video guys. We will meet on next video. Bye bye friends.